Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can get local channels on your YouTube TV trial. So to get the local channels on your YouTube TV trial, YouTube TV does already have the local channels in the trial version. So for example, let me show you. If you go on the top right corner and go to settings, you can see here I'm using the trial version and it says that I have 20 free days left. So as you can see, I'm using a trial version, and if I go back to my live section, if I go to my live section right here, you can see that I have a lot of local channels, all of the local channels that I have. So all the channels who are showing this sign of the map right here, this navigation sign, are my local channels. For example, this one here, right here. So these are all my local channels, and the local channels are given to you by your location. So it depends on your location. So for example, if you go to the top right corner and see my location, it says New York area. So now it is showing me channels based on my current location. So on the free trial, just like the base package of your YouTube TV, you are going to get all of the local channels. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.